Hi, I'm glad you're here. I was solving a number riddle. Would you like to solve it with me? Here's the riddle. Angel has 5 more skateboards than Mervyn. The total number of skateboards that they have together is 63. So, how many skateboards does Mervyn have? Every riddle has important clue words in it. And if you can identify the clue word, then you will be able to identify what math operation you need to do to find the solution. Let's look at the clue words that are typically found in numerical riddles and the mathematical operation that they imply. If you see the words and, some, greater than, more, or longer, use the addition operation. The words less than, reduced, lighter, minus all refer to the subtraction operation. Times, multiplied by, product of would mean multiplication. Divide, share, per represent division. Times itself is same as squared, so square the term or the number. The words is, are, equal to mean equal to sign. Consecutive numbers means the numbers coming one after the other. So, if the first of the consecutive numbers is n, the next will be n plus 1 and the next will be n plus 2 and so on. What if we were to write consecutive even numbers? We know that even numbers differ by 2. So if the first of the consecutive even numbers is n, the next will be n plus 2 and the next will be n plus 4 and so on. The same applies for odd numbers. Now, let's go back to our riddle. The first step is to understand the question and identify the knowns and the unknowns. We know from the question that Angel has 5 more skateboards than Mervyn and the number of skateboards they have together is 63. And we have to find the number of skateboards that Mervyn has. Now, we will assign a variable to the unknown. Let's say that the number of skateboards Mervyn has is equal to m. Next, we will set up an equation by understanding the relationship between the knowns and the unknowns. And we'll use the clue words to do this. Angel has 5 more skateboards than Mervyn. Here, more means plus. So, Angel has 5 plus m skateboards. Also, the number of skateboards they have together is 63. Here, together corresponds to plus and is corresponds to equals. This means that the number of skateboards that Angel has plus the number of skateboards that Mervyn has equals 63. This can be written as 5 plus m equals 63. Writing an equation is just like translating. We take an English statement and translate or express it using math symbols. The last step is to simply solve this equation and find the answer to our riddle. We have 5 plus 2m equals 63. Subtracting 5 from both sides, we get 2m equals 63 minus 5. This implies 2m equals 58. Next, dividing both sides by 2, we get m equals to 58 over 2 or m equals to 29. So, the number of skateboards Mervyn has is 29. Yay! We found the answer to our riddle. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.